Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP Envy Inspire 7920E printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and you want to search for HP Envy Inspire 7920E drivers. Best results, you come back with an HP support page that says HP Envy Inspire 7920E, all-in-one printer software. Open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to expand the installation software and full/basic driver support and the download button that corresponds to it. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it, or I should say extract it at this point. And then select yes to do receive a user account control prompt, and then just follow through with the on-screen prompts here by getting it set up and configured specifically for your 7920E printer, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.